Hey guys, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. This is going to be a quick video telling you the importance of equipment schedule. Let's imagine a room. So there are a lot of AC indoor units. You've only been given a layout. There is no equipment schedule. Imagine that is a situation, and it is showing let's say there are 5 number of ACs, and it is having the legend of symbols shows that a square with a cross is an AC. So that is being shown. So 5 numbers of AC, you do a quantification, and in your BOQ you put up that there are AC indoor units, 5 numbers. But the problem here is you don't know about the capacity. You don't know if all the ACs are of same type of capacity, the same size. So what an equipment schedule can give you is the specifications of all these 5 ACs. When you are provided with a equipment specification, you get to know that AC number 1 is having this much of capacity, and this is the size, this is the manufacturer. AC 2 is like this. So you can put your BOQ separately. Sometimes 2 ACs might be of same type and all the specs might be same. For another 2 ACs, it might be something else, and 1 AC can be something else. So pricing can be done according to that specifications. And if you're not provided with an equipment specification like equipment schedules, please make it a note to send a query regarding the equipment schedule. That is very, very important for a MEP quantity surveyor, without which you will not be able to understand the capacity of different equipments, and you will never be able to price them properly. As you go through documents while doing your quantification, this should be one of the most important documents that should be available, and if it is not available, raise the query. So thanks a lot for watching this short video. So please do like this video if you found it to be useful. Do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to Quantity Surveying Studio. Take care. Bye.